Hi everyone. We return again to complete our revision from grade 9 about and our session is all about financial mathematics. So we will start the part 1. We should note that we have a different method of payment like salary, wages, commissions, the piecework fee, and a lot of these different methods. And you can find all the information, the important information in this lecture. So normally we should know that we have different measurement of salary, like we have week salary, weekly salary, fortnightly salary, yearly salary. It's all about the number of days. Okay, so or a number of week. Normally, the fortnight is equivalent to 2 weeks. The year it is about 52 weeks, and the quarter is 1/4 of years, so it is equivalent to 13 weeks. We should put in mind all these information. Okay. And if we want to, you should know that we can't calculate directly the weekly salary from the monthly salary because we know that the month is not equal to 4 weeks. But we should know that the week is equal to it is the 1/52 from the yearly salary. And you know the yearly salary, it is the monthly salary by 12. Okay, so it is easy to manage all this information once. For example, Dan earns $423.76 per week. How much does he earn per fortnight? So normally we have the weekly salary, we multiply it by 2 to obtain the fortnightly salary, and we multiply it by 52 to obtain the yearly salary, and it is easily to use the yearly salary and by dividing it by 12 to obtain the monthly salary, because as I said before, the monthly salary can't be deduced directly from the weekly salary. Okay. Moving on to the next exercise, convert the salary of 54,700 per annum per year. So to the equivalent salary. So please have a look and think a little bit about the following one. How about fortnight? We know that fortnight it's 2 weeks, and we know that from year to week, converting from year to week, we divide by 52. And then from week to fortnight, we multiply by 2. So normally it is very equivalent as multiplying by 1/26. So it is what we multiply the yearly salary by 26. And most of the time we don't have a fixed fixed payment. We have also additional payment like overtime when they work during Saturday or Sunday. So normally the payments are different from the weekdays. Okay, so we should know if the overtime payment at the time and a half. So we multiply the normally hourly wages by 1.5. And if it is double time, so we multiply the normal hourly wages by 2, and so on. So it is easy. Olivia works a 36-hour week and is paid 25.40 per hour. So it is paid 25. She's paid $24.40 per hour. How much does she earn for a week in which she works an additional 6 hours? So she worked 6 hours as overtime at time and a half and 2 hours at time and double. So we have additional, so plus additional payments. So the basics one, the fix for 25 per hour, 25.40 times 36, okay? Then we have a 6 hours where times time and a half times 1.5 times the original hourly wage, and 2 for the double time times 2 because it double the hour the original hourly wage to obtain finally $1,245. Moving on to the weekend, joint and public holiday loadings statement. You know that we have a lot of employees who earn wages may be paid higher rates for working on weekends and at night or on public holidays. So, like, yeah, Terry earns $710 per week is entitled to 4 weeks annual leave. So 4 weeks per week, 4 weeks. Normally we multiply 4 by 7, 10. Okay, to obtain the 4 week pays. But and receive an additional. So we have a plus additional holiday loading. Normally we evaluate the holiday loading, the percent, okay, the given percent from the 4 weeks pay. The 4 week pay is 4 by 710. Okay, so normally it is easy to calculate it to obtain $3,337. Okay, moving on to remember to remind you a little bit about the casual employment. You should know that the casual employment, it is all about the hours worked, and maybe employed full-time or part-time. So normally, like, yeah, John sews buttons on shirts in a clothing factory. She's paid per shirt, so per piece. Calculate her income for a week in which she completed the following number of shirts. Normally, we have a big number of shirts that John achieved. For example, Monday 172, Tuesday 189, and Wednesday 203, Thursday 194, and Friday 188. Normally, all these shirts are paid equally with by 33 cents. Okay, so the weekly income equal to the sum of these shirts by times 33 cents to obtain finally $312 as a weekly income. Okay. So moving on to the commission. The commission. So the commission is added to the retainer, the fixed weekly rate. Okay. So normally, always we evaluate first the commission amount and we add it to the fixed paid wage to obtain that payment, the whole payment, the total payment. Or the weekly income, the total payment. For example, here, Benita sells printers. She's paid a retainer of 180. 180, the fixed one, plus. We have the commission, plus a commission. So it is an additional payment. Okay, the commission is 1.5 of sales. The sales, okay, of value, $33,240. So normally we multiply this percent. Normally the percent we equivalent to 1.5% per cent. We divide it by 100 and we multiply it by the value of the sales. So to obtain finally $679. So thank you for listening. We'll continue the second part of the financial mathematics in the next session. Thank you and bye-bye.